So here's our camp spot on the October 4th weekend, 2019. So this is the setup I have. I have the, I just want to call this the fire truck trailer because they're red and yellow. But I have my truck, a Chevy 2500. So I got my solar panels charging the generator right now. 86%, charging 49 watts. Got to change the panels direction a little bit. So there's the fridge. Got it 11 degrees and 21. Can't see it because the lights though, but this is a deck that I kind of just put on myself. It just holds some stuff a little bit better. But yeah, we're out here turkey hunting. My buddy's brother-in-law got the turkey tag. This is my buddy's truck. This is his propane goes inside for his heater. So this is his setup. And then his brother-in-law is sleeping over there in a tent. Small little tent. One manor. This is they're like a little place to do cooking at and such. What kind of tent does he have? Apone. Okay. So he went out that way, trying to find a turkey possibly. So our bathroom is right there. Keep it a little bit distance away. So temperature's gonna be like a high of 70 something today. Not too hot. It's pretty nice and cool. So it rained the day we came here, but it stopped raining by the time we got up here. But it had rained, so a lot of the firewood is wet. See, it's just like coming right off. It's just really wet. Termites too. So got a problem with the pump that I just got a month ago. It's like leaking out of here. See the water. So I don't know, but I finally got to use my lights, the 40-watt LED lights for the generator. So it goes from here to the trailer to this tree where my boys' blankets and things are hanging, and then this one connects to over there. Oops, did not want it to fall. So here's the other lights, which connects to the canopy, so we have light over there. Really lethargic today. We went out this morning, got up at about 3:45, and we left at 5. Headed out that way, and then came back about 10 a.m. It's about 5 hours. Hung out in a spot and was waiting for some turkey, but none showed up. It's really wet out there, so I had to dry my shoes. You can see it's a little bit wet there. That's the color it should be, but that's the color it is because it's pretty wet from the dew on the grass. Some of the stuff was frozen too. I was gonna have the boys hang out here while we're gone, but it was so cold. I didn't want them out in the cold, so I put them in back here. This is their bed, and this is where I have the heater because they get pretty cold. I put the blue blanket on them, but they just pull it off. Yeah, I sleep right here. And there's some storage up there. It's insulated. See the insulation up there? It's got some poke holes in it. It's pretty rough. From all my camping and some of the landscaping stuff I do, I just put some branches in there sometimes. Doing work for my mom and such. But
I just checked the 2
so
mile
yeah,
radius.
this is our good setup. So where's Stryker? Stryker! Stryker, come on! But anyways, enjoy. Hey, you want to talk about your camp setup for our video?
No.
So he says no. So, all right, guys. Well, oh, there's Stryker. There's Stryker.
You can.
Say bye.
You can talk
Stryker.
about it if you want.
Say bye. Good boy.